Well, welcome back everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Josh. And we are back with mystery bags. We have 3 today, and we're going to jump right in because I don't have much time. I've got to get this through. We are so busy and backed up with all the stuff we got from the last oh, this is great. We got a vintage Jesus tee. Real men sing real loud. That's sick. I dig it. Starting off good. Anyway, we just got back from our, oh my goodness, the Jesus tees keep coming. Whoa, right off the bat, look at that. It's huge. Prayer warriors for God. I really hope this keeps coming. But anyway, we just got back from our big mega trip. 107 thrift stores. So we're in the process of processing all of those, all the purchases we picked up. So we were real busy these days, but I had these 3 bags that I had saved from before we left. So I want to get into them, let you guys enjoy them. And if you're not familiar with how these videos work, we get these rag bags from local thrift stores, and we don't know what's in them, but we do know is that they're mostly t-shirts. Typically they sell these to like mechanics and stuff. Lord knows how many amazing shirts have been used to mop up oil. But anyway, we search them for valuable vintage t-shirts, and we've done super well. Surprisingly well in the past, and hopefully we can do well again. If you remember, the last few bags have actually been pretty good. We picked up some serious heat on a bunch of like Harley tees and some racing tees. So hopefully we continue that. I guess today we've already started out with 2 really dope vintage Jesus tees, which actually have a lot significant value, and there's a lot of people looking for those old vintage 90s Christian Jesus tees. I've got 3 bags here, so we are going to move pretty quickly. But anyway, we're back from our mega thrift trip. It was pretty cool, pretty amazing. You can watch the recap video, you can watch the daily blogs, or vlogs, or whatever they're called. We did vlog daily, so you basically can experience the trip with us as we go. So that was a lot of fun. A lot of work, but a lot of fun. And we will continue to do it. What's this? Black, oh, we got this is a Black Veil Brides tee? Yeah, Black Veil Brides, okay. It's a newer tee from a newer band. But what the heck is it? Oh, some sort of baggie or something. But yeah, so we got some great stuff. Learned a lot. Saw a lot of the country. That was really cool. And hopefully maybe you watched it and you learned something and was entertained by it. Oh, this is Jesus tee. The original Old Navy. 1 Savior, 12 disciples, and a fishing boat. Haha, that's great. A little bit more novel than maybe what the culture is looking for, but still pretty cool. What do we got here? Keeping it rural, John Deere tee. Alright, almost through the first bag of t-shirts. Got some Duck Dynasty tees. Can't have a rag bag without a Duck Dynasty tee. Basically a rule out here. I got a vintage donor sore, like a blood donor t-shirt. That's actually, it's vintage, it's got an old tag, so we'll hold on to that. It's got a cool graphic. Not sure there's a market for it, but it's a cool graphic nonetheless. Alright, bag number 2. Come on, what do you have for us, bag number 2? We have a bunch of leftover turkey bowl teas from someone's fundraiser that didn't get sold. Some saloon or something. Let's get it. Come on, we got nope. We got a Cardinal C, but it wasn't vintage. What we got here? Missouri. Yeah, Missouri University t-shirt. I did it. Oh yeah, it's Walk the Sky, the thing up in the wherever that is. Oh, we got a vintage tag here, it looks like. And it's a Harley tee. Whoa, Harley Davidson. Oh, okay, wait a minute. So this tag looks really, really old, but it's double stitched, so it's not incredibly old. I don't see a date on it, but it's still pretty cool Harley tee. Little front hit, big back hit. That's a good find. It's probably, you know, old enough to be in the vintage category. Pretty close to it at least. But that's interesting. The tag looked really old. We got a Ford's Theater t-shirt. I don't think this is old. No. But that Harley tee is a good sign. Whenever you start seeing Harley tees, you know, it's a good indicator that you might have some other good stuff in the mix. So, alright, we're crushing through this. This is not a vintage, nope. We got some towels. We got some other random tees. There's some rags. We got another Duck Dynasty tee. You know what they say, you can have one of these or one of these Captain America tees. They're always in here. Alright, what's this? This looks cool. Oh, but it's a Comfort Colors tee. It's actually kind of cool t-shirt, but it's not vintage. May not be worth anything. Alright, let's see what we got here. Army tee, more towels. Alright, we need something. I'm not seeing a lot of things down in there that look potentially vintage. I see a lot more newer looking fabrics. So, come on. I do miss this. We haven't been opening up as many of these bags as we used to. So, I'm glad to be getting back into the bag game. The bag game has been good to us. Been good to us, and hopefully I'll be able to get down Hurley towel. Almost done on this bag. Hopefully I'll be able to get down to where we get the other big bags this week, and hopefully they'll have some. The last few times we've been down there, they haven't had any. Alright, that's it for bag number 2. We're going to go on to... Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, looks like just a rag. Bag number 3 is actually a bit bigger bag than they normally give us at this particular thrift store. Hopefully that's a good sign. And not a sign that it's just towels in it. Alright, we got some white tees that are pretty messy. California tee. More blanks. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Heck yeah! Look at this, guys! Atlanta 1996. That is sick. The single stitch on the Hanes Beefy. That is a great graphic. Single stitch vintage Atlanta tee. We are doing well. This is a good sign that there are some older tees in here. That itself is a good tee. That's good to find out. Probably will pay for all 3 of these bags, being that they're $6 a piece. That t-shirt will probably go somewhere between $20 and $30. Maybe a bit more, who knows. The Atlanta stuff is pretty cool. Though there's a lot of it in America, so it's not like it's incredibly rare. So that's one of the reasons it doesn't perform as well maybe as some other years. Alright, let's see. We got Eagles High Tech. What's this? 2004. We got, oh, okay, it's like a local school tee. Liberty. More Liberty. Alright. Yeah, more high school stuff. All my friends are walkers. Walking Dead. You guys remember that show? I could only get through like the first 2 seasons. Then it just got too much. Too much. Alright, come on now. What else we got here? Bass Pro Shop. If you didn't know, we live fairly close to Bass Pro Shop, so it is a constant around here. Cinderella. Nope. 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 Texas Comfort Colors. That's not vintage. It does often catch me off guard. What is this? We got some sort of all over print type thing. Oh, it's just like a Affliction ripoff. Alright. Let's see. Some polos. Towel. We got some kid shoes here. Some K-Swiss. What's up? Let's see what else we got. Come on now. Oh, this is interesting. I don't think it's old though. Nope, not old. Disney tee. Alright, I was hoping that 96 tee would be a sign of good things to come, but so far I haven't seen anything else that would support it, so that's kind of interesting that it's stuck in here with all this other non-vintage stuff. You never know what you're going to get in these bags. If you've watched any of these, you know that. You're familiar. They can be really good, they can be really bad. You just sort of hope you hit, and you know, it might be that 90% of the bag is junk, which is probably fairly typical, except for like maybe one or two different times we pulled out bags. But because you're only paying $6 for it, it's kind of a crazy graphic. In my case, you only need one or two t-shirts to pay for the whole bag. And then sometimes you hit bags like the wrestling tee bag that we had a while back, the like Harley motorcycle racing tee we got a while back, a couple weeks ago, and those basically are like, we get way ahead on those because we're talking, hundreds of dollars worth of profit in one bag. What do we got here? Throw down. That's an Affliction tee. This is an Affliction tee. This Affliction tee actually might be worth something. I think this. Yeah, we'll hold on to that one. Affliction tees can sell for a little bit of money. Nothing crazy, but they do all sorts of different prints, and people like the different prints. So we're coming down to the end of this one. It looks like it might just be that Atlanta 96 tee that comes out of this bag, but you never know. It can be the last minute, the last tee. You've probably noticed if you watch any of the videos from the big mega thrift trip, tees were not hitting, and that was kind of sad because it's one of my favorite things to find are vintage t-shirts. We found some good vintage t-shirts, obviously, but like surprisingly low, when you consider we went to 107 thrift stores in 6 days. So like, you kind of would have expected maybe a bit more than that, and it just wasn't. Alright, looks like we're coming down to the last tee here, and it's nothing. That is it. That is the entire 3 bags. But we did get some stuff. We got that Atlanta tee, we got the Jesus tees, and the Harley tee, so not terrible. Definitely pays for the bag. Keeps this party going. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.